My name is Richard from Silent Peak and welcome to this demonstration on how to use DxO PureRaw free. So we're going to begin by adding our raw file. And there we go. Now we could have added one image as I have done, or we could have added many images, but the process is thereabouts the same. So we're going to right click and we're going to go to Process Files. Here we've got the various different options available to us, so we have multiple different noise models. Deep Prime is considered the fastest, Deep Prime XD is considered the best, and if you're stuck you can hover over this tooltip and it will tell you a little bit each about these different methods. We have various optical corrections, however for the sake of this demonstration I'm going to leave these on automatic or default. We have our output format, so we can choose DNG, which is basically a sort of open raw format which you can use in any photo editor, and this is the one you want to choose if you want to take this converted raw file and then process it thereafter. Alternatively, you can put it in a JPEG and export it straight away to social media, email, whatever it is you want to do. We can choose which folder it goes, and then we've just got what it does afterwards, so it can either open another piece of software or it can just do nothing. So we're going to hit start processing, and now we wait. This is all in real time, guys, just to give you a sense of how quick it is. And there we go, processing done. So what do we want to do next? We can go to the File Explorer, we can view results, or we can export to our photo editor. In this case, we're going to view results. And here we are. So this is our original on the left and the processed one on the right. And even at this full view, we can see that there's a difference. Now what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in so we can see a little bit better. Here's our original taken at ISO 6400 with a micro four thirds camera. This is after DxO PureRaw free has finished with it. And there we go. Pretty impressive. We can also do sort of instead of a side-by-side, you can just sort of bounce between the original and the processed. And down here, we can bounce to various different settings. We can fill the screen, we can do 1:1 pixels, we can do 2:1 pixels, and so forth. Very straightforward. We can click X up here. And there we are, we're done. So now what you've done is that you've not edited the original file, you've basically created a copy, whether it was a DNG or JPEG, depending on which option you choose. And now you're free to sort of take that copy, export it, or process it in your favorite editor. Anyway, that was how to use DxO PureRaw free. My name's Richard from Silent Peak, and I do hope that was helpful, and I wish you a very good day. Bye-bye.